Welcome back, viewers. You can see this is our lemon plant, and today I am going to show you how to organically fertilize your lemon plant. You can see these are eggshells and some citrus fruit peels and banana peels. You just dig a hole around the plant and put the kitchen waste in it and break them down with the tool and cover them with soil. So this is the fertilization of our lemon plant in the winter, and stay with us to see the result. And if you have chemical fertilizer, you can use those, but if you want to grow your plant with organic fertilizer, these are the items you can put inside the soil around the plant. Stay with us for the result. Happy gardening.